Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, too. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.